I'm lagging. Oh, what's good, y'all? I'm probably lagging because I have Xcode running right now because I'm trying to test out my game on iOS. Oh my gosh. That's not good news. Let me kill Discord. Let me see what else I can kill. That's crazy. Y'all don't start. Y'all don't start. Man, you better not be lying to me. All right, let me grab a quick snack and I'll be right back. Hell no. You better not. You better not, bro. Yo, appreciate that. Who cares? Sorry, y'all. I'm just stuffing something in my mouth. Haven't eaten dinner yet. All right. I think we're here. What's good, y'all? How's it going? I don't want to like have food in my mouth while I'm streaming. What's going on, bro? What you mean? Mm-hmm. How y'all doing, bro? Hey, I already have my pickle in. I don't need no more stuffing of pickles. Here you go, bro. How you doing, Mono NZ, man? Glad to see you here early. How you doing, bro? That's what you said. Mm-hmm. Yo, y'all need to stop. What do you mean I'm the right way up today? I'm always the right way up. I need to. Well, which way I'm gonna be? Like right side down? By the way, when you said right side down, it made me think of upside down. Have y'all seen Stranger Things? Season 5? Me and WCYT are on the same page here. Well, yeah, clearly so. Y'all are two peas in a pod, as always. All right, y'all. You got no clips? We gotta get you some clips, man. That means you have to stream. All right, y'all. I have kind of some news, I guess. Nah, you know, no, I don't. I'm trying to get a build out for iOS. I have yet to try to run iOS for this game. So we're gonna try and get that today. But anyways, how y'all been? How's your day? Mono and Z, how was your weekend? How was your weekend? Who cares? Spectre, how the horses treating you? What y'all been up to this weekend, this day? How many clips for you as a percentage are pickle related? Bro, more than likely 99%. I mean, I take a lot of clips for myself because I'm hoping that someday I can finish my damn app and then use my app to review my own clips. But we're not there yet. So, yeah. I have VODs off. Oh, no. Who cares has VODs off? That is true. Where is Hippo? I know. That last month that she did was hilarious. Last I remember, he got a job, if I'm not mistaken, as a dev. I know he's never here anymore. Hippo just disappeared, bro. He went off to the sunset. He doesn't want to deal with us peasants anymore. Yeah. Actually, let's see here. Se puso bella. Neither am I. Damn, bro. But hey, we finna change that in 2026. Are we not? Spectre, come on. You know we're about to do some major changes around here. And we definitely have to. Because your boy... Yeah. Work. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. This past week, work was like horrible. And it's not the people, it's not the company. It's more so that we're in the process of releasing some new stuff and a lot of things went wrong. Well, not wrong. We found issues during our alpha release, which is a good thing, right? We want alpha to have issues so we can clear them out and not, have actual issues when we release the full version. So, that being said, during my on-call week, shit hit the roof. So I basically had no weekend. I worked on Friday to like 8 p.m. my time. I started at 8 p.m. It was basically a 12-hour shift. Saturday, I worked from about 12 to 8. 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Sunday, my daughter had a tournament. So I was gone from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. that day. But before that, I did some work from like 11 to 1 or so p.m. So yeah, it was not a fun week for me. But here we are. If there are issues, Alpha is the best place to find them. 100%. 100%. And, I can't be mad that that's what we're trying to do, right? Hash out the bugs because we're in Alpha. The only problem is that, I was on call and unfortunately I drew the wrong side of the stick that day or this week. But it's okay. It's okay, It is what it is. I have a job. So that's the main thing, right? I'm thinking of doing something insane for my streams, but I don't know yet. My implement redeems where people can build random projects on my mission control pipeline. That sounds pretty cool. What would be the incentive? Like, what do I get for free then, if that's the case? Or what does your viewer get? Next, JS React scored 10 CVE. Rajar, what's good, man? What is CVE? I'm not familiar with that term. Can you explain to me? A pickle like Clippy, bro. Stop. Free hosting service. I mean, yo, can I host Clipsy on there? What's good? CVE, Rajar, what is that, like a resume? What is CVE? It's a vulnerability term. Got it. Okay. I didn't know that. When you are in, I think, mostly when you're in like corporate world, since you have so many big teams, there's certain things you don't need to worry about, kind of like that CV, anything that has to do with freaking security. Bro, roasting is meant for people who have subs. So you got a sub, Rajar. If not, you can't roast me, my guy. I'm stealing that one from Barry. By the way, fuck Barry. That's how Mono Z would say. Um. All right. Before I try to pull in good old cursor, let's just try and build this, don't we? iOS. I don't want a Mac OS. I just want iOS. Can I delete Mac OS? I just want iOS. Baby. Preferidos de las babies. Is this not what we want? I need to see here. You telling what you mean? I'm fairly sure we all roast you any time of the day. I mean, bro, I have to defend myself, man. I'm trying my most to not get roasted. So like, shh, don't let Rajari know that. You know what I'm saying? Come on. All right. Okay. We know who this is. We know who this is. Of course. Of course. All right, let me see here. I'm trying to get something here, y'all, real quick. This is my check, baby, check, baby. Where's my build? Where's iOS? Hey, what's good, Liz Preacher? How you doing? All right, man. Yo, if you hang out, man, I'm gonna upload a build today for the game. Dímelo, Stripe Boy. Estás completo. Yo también, mi pana, que estás acá. How do I make it easy, Mono and Z? Come on, Mono. How, I don't make it easy. Y'all just too quick. Bro, I don't know how you can listen to this song. All right, how do I export this? I think all right, I don't care about my okay. Yo, we're not listening to this again. No, nope, nope, nope. Skip in that a song. You ignore it while I listen to it. I bet. I need to add that reward that Mono and Z said to skip songs. I think it was Mono and Z. Aquí chilling, yeah, you know. Listo, brother. Chilling en la casa. Chilling en la casa. Tranqui, mi pana. Tú sabes que tenemos puro wasa wasa. Tirando el flow. Con el dembow. Hey, me miran y dicen que era wow. Hey. All right, I've been trying to update my Kotlin library to be KMP, and it's not been that fun. Which library, Mono? Yo. Something's going on here. Why can't I click in Godot? Nothing is working. Something is up with Godot. I think I have multiple windows open. Hold on. Yeah, we do. Okay, here we are. How do I export it? Project export. Select iOS. If exporting project only, open generate Xcode project in Xcode. All right. How do I export it from? Okay. Export project, iOS, save. Let's see if this works. Doom, 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 doom. All right, let's see here. My API alerts Kotlin so I can use it in my new CMP app. Hold on. So are you trying to export your own project as a KMP app so you can use it in a new CMP app? I don't understand what you're trying to do, Mona. Rajar, what are you trying to have me wait for, man? I'm here. Look, just so y'all know, hold on. All right. Just so y'all know, I will have to leave a little bit early today. And the reason for that is because I'm in the process of tutoring my nephew in some algebra. So I will have to drop a little bit off here in a little bit, maybe like in an hour, because he gets off of work in about an hour. So when he gets home, we're gonna sit down and I'm gonna tutor him a little bit. I have like 8 different language asks, but my Kotlin one is only Kotlin, not KMP. But I want to use it in my new app, so I got to update to be KMP2. Gotcha. And just for clarification purposes, bro. Um, what is your KMP app or your CMP app? Why is this? What's going on with this? Y'all let me know if it's lagging because I'm trying to export Xcode right now. Oh, okay. Archive succeeded. All right, we're getting there. All right, Mono, since you probably do more iOS than I do, is there a way to stream your iPad device or your iOS device onto your actual Mac? Like, I want to be able to stream it so y'all can see what I'm seeing on the iPad. On the new one, like I'm on the latest Xcode, if that's what you're asking. Oh, yep, just install Xcode. This guy, bro. Thank you, Spectre. Appreciate it. Oh, man, but you vibing. What am I wanting? What do you mean? Damn, bro. Because Xcode. It's because of Xcode. Ah. Is this a Coden song? What? What the this is a Coden song. I didn't even realize that. Okay. Yo, what is up with this? Okay. I don't know what all of them. It's because I'm running Xcode, bro. It's because I'm running Xcode. If it's not gonna work, I might just quit it then. Okay, the game just launched. Hey, look at this. Back buttons are not working though. They don't show up. All right. I want to show this to y'all. Is there a way to mirror? Let me see here. How to mirror iPad on MacBook Pro. No, I don't want a second display. How to share iPad on MacBook Pro. Use Apple's sidecar feature. How you do that? Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm supposed to do then. Yo, man. Okay. So y'all are saying I should shut down Xcode? How do you turn on sidecar, bro? Sidecar. Sidecar is not a thing. QuickTime screen share. Let's see here. QuickTime. Screen share. Doesn't work. Mirroring. Yeah, quick mirroring is what I've had to do without getting a third-party app. Okay. It can't connect to the iPhone, it says. And it only works for iPhones. What's good? Am I ready? Of course I'm ready, Rajar. What's up? Oh my gosh, it's not working. QuickTime, new movie recording. All right, let's try that. QuickTime. Okay. Why's QuickTime not working here? QuickTime, then I go to new movie recording. Okay. Ooh. What's up? All right. Then select your iPad drop down. My iPad is not in the drop down, sir. I'm trying to what's it called? I'm trying to my beard itches. Mirror my iPad. Nope, we're switching the song again. I thought we heard that one already. You can roast me for a month. Dang! So you got, oh my gosh, Rajar, really? Now you sub, bro? Appreciate the sub. I don't know why I didn't get a notification. Thank you for the sub, Rajar. Appreciate it. Now you can roast me for a month. You got to come in every time now. Yeah, bro. There's no iPad in it. There's only, let me see here. There's only my FaceTime camera. Y'all can see me here. Was good. Hey. Then there's also my capture card. Yeah, bro. It's plugged in. I was able to build it. So it's plugged in for sure. Yeah, I can see connected up here. So I honestly don't know. Spatial video. What is spatial video? Yeah, I don't think this is working. Okay, then maybe I my word for it, I guess. I just don't want to look all weird being on the iPad while y'all just watch me look at the iPad, but I have to test it out anyways. So I guess we're gonna have to just do it this way. There's no way for me to actually share this thing. Unless y'all figure out a different way for me, let me know. Alright. I am going to just try to play it normally. Okay, so that's a bug already. Oh, I missed. What? I'm not gonna lie, it looks better on iPad. Maybe it's because it's larger. Simulator, it doesn't allow me to build it to a simulator, bro. I tried before and I had to stop because it needed to be a physical device. Okay, that's a bug there. There's a major lag. My power-ups are not going up. This might be a bug. Oh, never mind. There it goes. But it's not getting applied. What the hell? Let's see if this fixes anything. Alright, clearly a bug. Alright, let's see here. Main menu, go to shop. I added a debug feature. What? What sucks about that, Mono? Yeah, this is not going to work, sir. None of these buttons work on iOS. Interesting. Yeah, it's weird. It gets buttons are weirdly off. Oh, 100%, bro. 100%. It's always Apple. Ain't no other way. All right. I like how at least the game feels smooth. It's just there's some animations that don't work very well on iOS. So we're gonna have to take a look at that later on. That was pretty dope. Or get good. Dang, bro. I mean, I think you got to talk to Cursor about that, not me. Bro, get... Alright, alright. What's up, Sneaky Fox? How you doing, man? Bro, I did try screen mirroring. What you mean? Bro, I wish Mono and Z. I was literally thinking that myself, bro. There's no screen mirroring for iPad. Yeah, it's only for iPhone. It doesn't work on iPad. All right, so if that's the case, I'm going to go ahead and kill Xcode for now. But also, I'm going to make a note here of this. What's good, Sneaky, man? How you doing, bro? Where you been at, Sneaky Fox? How's the work? I'm going to archive that. All right, let me add a section here. This is great so far. I just went ahead and did a build for iOS, and unfortunately, there's a few bugs. Here's a list of them. 1, the back button in the stats screen, shop screen, those do not work and they don't even appear on iPad. 2, the animation for the power ball that goes to a new block, the animation does not even show up on iPad or iOS. When I hit the start button, it takes a very, 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 very long time for the game to actually start on iOS. These are some of the things I've noticed for the iOS build. Is going work is fine, bro. I hear you. I hear you, my guy. Work has been going okay, but I was really trying to get a promo and I was not able to get it. So it's not the best, but you know, at least I got a job. At least your boy got a job. I haven't tried this option, but apparently there is enable AirPlay on Mac. AirDrop, turn off AirPlay receiver on the Apple ID. All right, Spectre, I might try that. I might try that here in a bit. Shoot. For real, Mono and Z. What's the use case for iOS or Jar? Well, iOS folks usually pay for games. iOS folks usually pay. They're more than likely to pay for, I guess, apps than Android users. People in iOS spend more on apps than on Android. Yep, that's a fact. You might have to update your website. Uh-oh.
Who cares? YouTube asked me, how old is Frozar?
All right, bro.
Really like pickles.
Oh, shit, man. I gotta do a bunch of...
just an inside joke. As for Frozar's age, they
I
like
can't
to
hear
keep
this.
It serious, you know? Adds to
I can't hear this Tangia stuff. Y'all are the only ones that can hear it. I don't know why I can't hear it.
Pickle shots.
How old is Frosser and does he really like pickles? No. Oh man, the pickle shots thing is just an inside joke. As for Frosser's age, they like to keep it mysterious, you know? As to the whole charisma and chill vibe they got going on. See, pickle shots? Nah, that's just a running gag in our squad. It's not about, bro. What are you trying to say? Who cares, man? You know you enjoy the pickle shots. I can't hear it. That's funny. What is $2 for a game when you give your firstborn for an iPhone Pro Max? Bro, for real. For real. Yo, Sneaky, do you have Android or iOS, bro? If you get a chance to answer that question, I am trying to find volunteers. Mono and Z, if you have an iOS, let me know. For anybody who is willing, who cares? Anybody who has an iPhone and would like to be part of my beta testing for the game, let me know. Because from my understanding, once again, I haven't done a lot of research on this, but from my understanding, I need to have like some personal information from your iPads or iPhones in order for me to be able to target you as a user. And that means I need to I think I need to get like your iPhone serial number and a bunch of different things. But let me know. Why not, Spectre? Oh, okay. Thanks for testing that out, Spectre, for real. Bet Mono and Z, bet. Then I'm gonna hit you up probably on Discord. Bet, Sneaky Fox. Okay, so let me go ahead and show y'all the changes I've done to the game, all right? I want to show y'all the changes because I have done a lot. I have been working on it, and I want to get to the point where, you know, where your boy can actually release this puppy. All right, let me go ahead and we'll flip you my UUID later. Bet, bro. Appreciate that. Nah, don't sit here, bro. Oh shoot, I didn't want you to go ahead and fix this. I hope you didn't break Android. All right. Why should I clap my hands once? Bro, are you trying to troll me? Damn it, I do have to update my device. I just saw the thing again. Gotta update the website for sure. All right. Good old, so this is how simple it is in Android, all right? Well, granted, just like iOS, you do need to have some sort of a dev application installed, right? So for iOS, you have to have Xcode. For Android, it makes it easier if you have Android Studio installed. You don't need it. You can just install ADB on your own. However, once you have all of that set up on Android, all we need is this thing called CRCPY, CSCR which means screen copy. And what that does is, guess what? It go ahead and it freaking streams your Android device. So easy. For real, bro? Are you serious? Bro. Nah, man. I don't have no idea then what I'm supposed to do. I don't know what to say or what to do, bro, because oh man. I think I need more hardware, if anything. Alright, 1 second, y'all. I need to check something at the door. Yes, you would lie to me, bro. Alright, bet. I got the package. Perfect. Okay, said like iPhone Pro Max, 16 Pro Max, 256 gigabytes. Manufacturing cost in the US is $485, and retail price is $1,199, bro. They steal it, bro. Yeah, I mean, I am planning to upgrade my Mac, but once again, for me, a Mac Studio doesn't fit my workflow because since I work in this space so much, right? I work in here for my regular job. A lot of times I just want to get out of this room. So me having my laptop where I can just take it with me all the time, that's just a much better use case for me. So and like I go to basketball tournaments, I go to basketball practices, a bunch of different things. I'm always on the move. So having my laptop is like the best thing for me and my lifestyle. So I don't think I can get a Mac Studio. All right, y'all. I want to show y'all what I've been working on for this game. Okay. Well, you don't get rid of the laptop. So keep the laptop and then try to set it up to just be a streaming device. All right. Yeah, take a look at this so y'all can see and then judge me. All right. Here we go. First and foremost, I went ahead and I added this debug features. Guess what? If I turn this puppy on, I got a whole bunch of new things. For instance, in my upgrades, I can reset the whole thing and I can add unlimited coins. These coins are the permanent coins that in order for you to get them is really, really hard. So then I'm going to do some extra power-ups. Well, actually, I'm going to show y'all the other powerful thing behind the debug flag, which is I can spawn all the power-ups if I wanted to. Dang it, I died. I can spawn all the power-ups if I wanted to. So, oh shoot. So many different things, all right? So we go back. Another thing that I added some stats. Now we're gonna have some stats. I'm still working on this one. I don't know how it's gonna look ultimately, but there's gonna be some stats for the game. And finally, I'm gonna show y'all how the upgrades work and the power up system. So I gotta up the luck, up the probability. I have this new tier system that I'm liking right now. All right, so here we are. Let's see. As y'all can see, there's this little circle inside of the paddle, and that is your power up. So it goes to a block, and y'all saw that animation, right? I think y'all saw that. Balls collide with each other. What else? There's different colored power-ups based on tiers. So for instance, that one that you saw, that was a gold tier. Dang it! I missed the gold tier one. Shit. Okay, this is gonna be a rare one. That's gonna be a rare one. So let's get it. A rare. Ooh, gave me 2 balls. Y'all stop. Don't say anything. Ooh, another rare one. Gave me another 2 balls. Let's go. Okay. And as y'all can see, this thing is starting to get hectic. And that's the point. Once you start getting a bunch of upgrades, the point is we're gonna make this game super hectic. So you want to have like this super high score, and oh man, clearly a lot of bugs. And I lost all my balls. All right, I'm about to get a gold power up. Let me see the gold power up here. What is it? All right. Ooh. All right. Okay, that was I need to change my icons for sure. Don't even start, Mono Z. Damn it, bro. Fudge. No, I don't want a couple more. Hit me. What you got? Un flow cabrón. Tú a mí no me conoces. All right, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and make a build, a debug build, and I'm gonna send it to y'all. Whoever want to try it out and give me some, some feedback. Things I'm looking for are bugs, things that don't make it feel smooth. Yeah, stuff like that. Oh, by the way, bro. I didn't tell y'all this. Nah, man. This guy. You can keep yours. Real quick. I do have not an announcement, but just an update about my health. I'll let y'all know in a second. But in the meantime, before that, who cares? My guy. Get down and give me them push-ups. You too, Spectre. Let's do it, bro. Let's get down doing push-ups, bro. Come on. All right, let's see. Diferentes poses. All right, I'm going for 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5. Woo! Alright. You smack your face on the ground. Yo, come on. What? Who cares, bro? How did you do that? Cuando se un plan. A mí no me conoce. Dang it. I'm hurting. Mono and Z, Who Cares and I made a deal that we're always gonna start the stream with push-ups, and every hour in the hour we're gonna try and do push-ups while the stream is going. So yeah. Is it more or the audio is way out of sync? Honestly, I don't know, bro. I don't even know how to fix this, man. I don't even know. I don't know what to do here. Tú a mí no me conoces. It might be the audio's out of sync. It might be a whole bunch of different things, bro. Your audio video like 30 seconds off. I don't know, bro. Am I a dirty Apple fanboy? I mean, I like Apple for certain things, but I think most people know that I'm not that big of a fan of Apple. Especially when it comes to just the prices in their products is just ridiculous. What is this, Rajar? Within the past 72 hours, Apple's AI chief steps down for real. Head of UI design leaves to Meta. What? Policy chief steps down. Head of general counsel. What the heck? Sounds like trouble. Let's go. All right, and let's go ahead and try to build this again, bro. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here to fix this, man. Is there anything that I can do to try to fix the audio problem? Output. It's using the core audio. Yeah. No. Just restart the video source, maybe? I can try. 1 second. Where's the stream camera? Here we go. So we're saying basically this. Is that how I restart the audio source? Does that restart it? Tengo una .40. All right, let's see. I'm gonna reduce the quality of the video. How about that? Let's see if that works. Is that better? What's eating up my RAM is definitely Xcode or Android Studio. I've killed them both, but so far, I don't think it's helped. I mean, it says memory use 37. I have 64. So I have like 30 gigs free. So I don't think anything is like super crazy. Is that better? It's probably still wrong. Yeah, I don't know what to do, bro. This is very, very annoying. Ni siquiera. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Because... All right. I'm gonna go ahead and make a build for Android and then upload it and share it in Discord. Bro, why didn't I hit that one? I want to see this rare one. Okay, there we go. What is the rare? Is more balls? No, it's not. Ooh, I'm about to get a golden one. All right, there's a bug there. Ooh, golden one. 3 balls at that. Ooh, this one. Let's go. Slow down time. I like that. So many balls, bro. Let's go. Let's slow down time again. So it's not audio, it's probably video then. Program streamer fails to sync audio. No! Oh, I got it. I saved it. Woo! Hold on, bro. I'm trying to level up. Yeah, the video is way behind, but I don't know if there's a way to fix it that without ending and restarting the stream. Yeah, if that's the problem, bro, then I don't think I'll be able to. If I were to turn off a stream now, I probably will get off because, as I said, I have so much stuff to do. And also, bro, I'm not bragging about having lots of balls, man. No, that's not what I'm doing. But what I wanted to say is, Rajar, the game feels a lot easier because I have max upgrades. It's not gonna be easier without the upgrades. So yeah, I can try that, bro. I'm gonna unplug the camera. I'll unplug the camera. Boom. I'm gone. Can't see me. Bye. Let's try to put it back. That it's reloading. Let's see what it does. Is this better? My laptop is also like wheezing. So yeah. Hey, but we ain't gotta worry. We ain't gotta worry. This weekend I will spend more time on trying to get the audio fixed, and also on in about a week time I'm gonna have more time focusing on actually doing grooming for the stream. So y'all don't worry. 2026, we're set. We're gonna do a lot of different things for sure. In the meantime, please bear with me with this unfortunate situation. I'm not gonna be here long. All right, yeah, I can't really exit OBS right now because, as I mentioned, I probably need to jet out soon because I gotta do tutoring. But before that, I wanted to let y'all know an update on some health related issues. So y'all know I've had issues with my knee, and we've talked about that for a minute here and there. And there was 2 options that I have, which is either I get a expensive injection or I do surgery. Surgery is definitely more expensive than the injection, and also the recovery time for said injection is much shorter. So that being said, tomorrow morning, 9 a.m., I'm gonna go have my injection, and I will be out for about 2 to 3 weeks where I can't run. They said I could walk, not the day of. But this procedure, I mean, y'all heard of PRP injections before, I'm guessing. But basically, if you didn't know, they take your blood, they do it through a centrifuge, they put it, I guess, with some other medicine and whatnot, and then inject these blood on like superpowers. They inject it close to where the tendon and the bone attaches. So it might even scrape the bone, and then that's when it gets really, really painful, from what I've heard. So I'm not looking forward to tomorrow that much because that sounds really painful. And then I won't be able to play basketball. By the time I get back to the basketball court, it's going to be a month and a half that I play basketball. And I feel it. My body craves it. I'm not a weenie, bro. Look, I've done worse things with injections. Bro, they used to inject the hell out of me to where the needle, right? Because the way they had to inject me was to the bone. Because this is a bone related issue. And the whole idea behind the treatment I was doing is that they would take this needle with like saline water and they would inject the bone in a lot of different spots. And the idea is you create a bunch of different bloods around it, and it will promote healing around the area that you're kind of injuring. So when they did that to me, bro, the needle will, since it hit the bone so many times, the needle will come out bent. So by yo, 3, do not repeatedly spam the same question. 4, do not say promote your Twitch and channels on social media you want to be in. Hi, my name is Kali, Spanish girl programmer, etc. Okay. What's up, Kali? ¿Cómo estás? De que si hablas español, ¿de dónde vienes? Aquí también hablamos el español o te tiramos el inglés, como quieras. TMI, damn, bro. Well, basically, the point is that shit hurts, and I'm getting it tomorrow. So y'all have me in mind a little bit, just a little bit. Android can handle AI games en local Spanish. Dije, manín. ¿Cómo así? Es que no entiendo esa última parte. Can Android handle AI games? Yeah, of course. Claro que sí puede. Oh, de España. Ah. Okay, pero es que when I hear Spanish, it could be, for me, it could be Colombian, it could be Argentinian, it could be a bunch of different things. So, mi cabeza se fue para otro lado. Pensé que eras solo hispana. But yeah, this is my game. This is my game, and if you have an Android, I'm about to send a build for people who want to test it out. But yeah, esto fue echado. Esto fue creado usando Cursor. Y pues ahí estamos. Yo, that's a bug clearly. For yeah. For yeah. Dope. Dependency injection, Rajar, you feel that's funny. Espera, te hablo normal, no en inglés. Listo. Qué ilusión, hablaste mi idioma. Un breaker, amo este juego, gracias. Sí, me encanta este juego también porque este estilo de juego fue con los que yo crecí. Yo crecí con este estilo de juego. La época de Arkanoid, la época de Icebreakers. Y más bien te estoy diciendo mi edad con eso, que estoy bien viejito. Pero quería hacer un estilo roguelite, Arkanoid, y este es mi juego. But yeah, let me go ahead and get a build out. Let's create a build. Export. See here, Android runnable. Así que si tienes Android y quieres intentar el juego, me avisas y te mando un enlace. There we go. Yes, let's overwrite it. It is cold, bro. It is cold in the US. Matter of fact, man. Why do you think your boy have this, man? I'm ready right here. This is how I be. This is how I be doing work. Like this. Yo he hecho un narrative role. Estoy ahora en ello, literal, en paralelo con la IA. Listo. Si quieres mandar un enlace con tu juego o quieres promover tu juego en mi Discord, con mucho gusto, ve y hazlo. Pero sí, me gustaría escuchar más. Primero que todo, mala mía si estoy hablando el español bien mal, porque se me está olvidando. Segundamente, si quieres, por favor, promueve tu juego aquí en el chat o en el Discord cuando quieras, que para eso es esta plataforma, es para que nos podamos apoyar todo el mundo y poder crecer y tal vez ganar un poquito de dinero. Yo, yo. Gracias. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Um, Otra vaina es que sí, este juego va a ser gratuito. Voy a tener advertencias en el juego, pero no tengo planeado hacerlo algo que puedes pagar. Si alguien quiere pagar y me quieren apoyar, voy a tener un enlace en el juego, pero va a ser gratuito. Gracias. Pues sí, si quieres también, mira, aquí está el Discord si te quieres unir. No hay ningún, what's the word? There's no pressure, ninguna presión. Pero si quieres, ahí está. Y sí, ahí es donde voy a poner el enlace para jugar el juego. All right, cool. So since that's installed, let me go ahead and install it from my phone. Listo, gracias. Where's my spin? What you mean, where's your spin? The one from last time? Bro. Ok, Cali, mira, no te me asustes por lo que va a pasar ahorita mismo, ¿ok? Um, Después de las advertencias va a pasar algo bien. Vamos a ver cómo sucede. Así que solo aguántate un poquito. Mono, I'll do your spin because I think I owe you a spin, right? I owe you a spin, right? Or don't I? I do think I owe you a spin. And if I do, I think I owe you and Who Cares a spin because y'all funded the pickle shots. So I'll give y'all the spin after the ads. You contributed to the throne, that's right. Padre Filipo, Payama. All right, let's get this APK and install it. Panya. Nia. Chidia. Conde. All right, let's make sure this APK works. And it works. Dope. All right, let's upload it. Save it to next time. I'm on the train to the city. Got like 3 minutes. All right, bro. Sounds good. I'll hold that one on for you. And who cares if he's here, then we can do it. But if not, we're not going to do it. Pero Cali, coméntame, ¿en qué estás haciendo tu juego? Yo sé que estás utilizando la IA, pero ¿lo estás haciendo en Godot? ¿Estás haciendo usando PyCharm o otra cosa? ¿En qué lo estás haciendo? There you go. Calibuds. What's the other one? Come around. Arcángel. De la Getty Nicky Jam. Perdona, tuve una pausa. Yo uso Olama con PC local o sin IA a lo demo. Rostauri. Listo. Entonces, ¿de qué manera nos podrías enseñar un demo de tu juego? ¿O dónde puedo ver tu juego? All right, let's try to find a way to upload this. Free host upload. All right, let's see. Can we say it right? Mira, yo me monto en un taxi. Te busco y te llevo bien gratis el pana. Vamos por allá jugando. Si tú quieres, bueno, van fumando. Hey, estoy por acá haciendo un poquito del trap. Yo. All right, let's upload this. Listo, listo, listo para aquellos que quieran. For those of you who want to test out the app, feel free to do it. Oh, mira. Cali, no sé si eres streamer. Si es o no eres streamer y quieres, puedes. Uy, así no se escribe. Tengo otra aplicación que estoy creando, pero es más para streamers. Hi, Monezi. Have a great party, man. I hope you have, have a drink for me, my guy. A strong one. Sí, pásame la versión Gemini. Come after. I don't know about you, but. All right, I need to put this in Discord. To some reggae. Ahí está el enlace si quieres intentar el juego y tienes Android. Bro, Barry, you ain't got to do that all the time, my guy. Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much for the raid, bro, as always, man. Yo, hey, Dark Horizon, appreciate the follow. Kiss a homie. What the hell? What's a kiss a homie? Is that like a new type of a campaign or something? Yo, my guy. Let me see here. Thank you, my guy. Of course. We don't but good vibes over here. Hey, for those of you who are new here or just showed up, thank you once again, Barry Buckets, for the raid, my guy. That's my guy right there. I miss hooping with him. Haven't hooped with him in a minute. But for those of you who don't know me, I'm a coder. I know Barry Buckets because we hoop together from time to time. And what I do here is I just build apps. I'm trying to build apps because I'm trying to make passive income through my apps, and hopefully I can quit my job. If that don't work, then maybe hopefully streaming might happen. But I'm not as cool as Barry Buckets playing games and stuff like that. But I'm sorry, bro. The audios is so bad. The audio is so jacked up, man. My fault. But hold on, y'all don't leave. Let me just show y'all a quick demo of something I've been working on. I have two things I'm working on. One, and this is for those of you who want to help Barry. Y'all can help Barry Buckets with this app. Y'all can sign up. Y'all can sign up to my facts, bro. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get out of corporate land and just trying to do my own thing. Take reins out of my own destiny with my own shit. That's what I'm trying to get at. But staking the grind. All right. But for those of you who want, this is an app that is gonna help you groom clips if you're a streamer. That you can use like a Tinder style way to go through all of your clips, and then you can then store them, export them to edits or CapCut or whatever you want. There you go. Y'all are tripping. But the one I wanted to actually show y'all, if y'all are still here, is this game right here. I've been building a game for Android and iOS. Is it gonna run? Oh, it's already running. All right. So y'all can see here. This is a game I've been working on. I don't know if y'all are old school like me. I'm pretty old school. I'm gonna turn on some hacks that I have here. Give me unlimited coins. Upgrade a lot of these power-ups, and then show y'all what the game looks like. I'm gonna make it pretty hectic for y'all. All right. At least the damage to bring this up. Damn, you see, 43 years old, bro. Hey, all I'm gonna say is old is a state of mind, fam. Old is a state of man. The spins are on, bro. What do you mean they're not on? They should be on. Are they not on? Why are they disabled? Okay, there you go. They're enabled. Bro, being old is a state of mind. All I'm saying is my memories are old, but it doesn't mean that I'm old. All right, so here we go. This is the game. I've been building this. This is my first game I've ever built. I'm using AI, of course, to help build a bunch of this. But here you go. This is how the game goes. Is a style of brick breaker, but is unlimited brick breaker. And the idea is You want to keep it alive as much as you can. But over time, it gets pretty crazy. And you will see here in a second. So if you don't break all the bricks on time, eventually you're just gonna die. And the idea is, like I said, you get to go unlimited. You have different levels, and as you level up, it's gonna get faster, it's gonna get harder, and you have to level up and do all of that. Bro, 21 is not old. What the hell are you talking about? I was having a kid at 21. Earlier than that. Urge is a function of mind over matter. Facts. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. Facts, bro. Facts. I like that. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. This hey, speaking true. Okay, let's bro, why? Why? All right. So yeah, if y'all are interested, there is a link. If you're an Android person, fuck you, bro. If y'all are preserves my dad, this guy. This is already downloadable. It is not downloadable. I have a link. Let me pass it here in a second because somebody removed my pin stuff and I know my audio is wrong. But if you want, if you have Android only, you can download it here for free for now and just test it out. And if you are in the Discord, feel free to join the Discord. Please go ahead and give me feedback. Let me know if it's good, if it's trash, whatever. Any type of feedback is good feedback for me. I will make sure I make adjustments. But if you want to check it out, it's there for free. Later on, it will still be free, but there's going to be a bunch of ads and stuff like that. So now's a chance to get a look at it. All right, bro. Hey, so you my guy then, Dark Horizon, because I'll be on the boat blasting this too. What you mean? I need some more Cully Buds too. What else? I need some good old I'm blind to you haters. That's my stuff there. Here we go. Ja Army remix. I don't know, bro. It's probably me. Everything in me is lagging. All right, let me do those burpees though. Let's get those burpees out the way. Oh, audio's back in sync. Let's go. We just needed a raid. That's all we needed. I bet. Let's do these burpees, bro. Get it out of the way. All right. Hey, yeah, brother. We're running off shores and I'm in the Go fam. After that square grouper. Yo, man, this man catch a grouper. But hey, brother, man, I want to talk to you like so, man. Meet up from the island there, man. You know, so we love the fishing. We love the grouper. You know, we love the snapper. We love the yellow TL boy and the kingfish. Come on, brother, man. Yeah, man, you know it. All right, let me do the burpees. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fuck, bro. 9. Joder, la gran pulk. O dice que we love the hierba, dice. Cali. Tranquilo. Tranquila. But the patois, of course, brother, man. A familia from the island. I have to talk me Creole. I have to talk me patois. Fuck, I'm hurting. Woo. All right. Oh my goodness. I don't love them pickles. Don't listen to anybody that says anything about pickles. Eso no hacemos por acá. Son las 3 a.m. Oof. No. Bro, why you gotta do this, bro? Ya te tienes que ir a dormir, Cali. ¿Por qué aquí a las 3 de la mañana? Bro, I can't breathe, man. pero por qué? Why, Sneaky Fox, bro? The facts that my YouTube ass from Southeast US understand homie fully is a vibe. Hey, let's go, Dark Horizon. Hey, that's my guy right here now, man. Oh, man. Brother man, if you understand me, then we need to connect, you know. Maybe we can follow each other or something, brother man. Yo, what's good, compadre Dev? You came right at the perfect time. Mono and Z just left. Yo, appreciate the sub, my guy. Thank you. Hey, thank you, brother man. Thank you, Dark Horizon. All right. Cali, por favor, no te escondas después de esto. Quédate por acá. Lo que vas a ver ahora, lo siento. Desafortunadamente lo siento. All right. I hope y'all don't have... Yo, appreciate that, my guy. Yo, thank you so much, bro. Appreciate the train starting, man. Thank you, man. Much love, for real. All right, for those of you who know this, I'm sorry what y'all about to see. I am not proud of this moment. Thank you so much, Sneaky Fox. All right. Cali, por favor, esconde los ojos. Cierra los ojos, no veas esto. Hey, most creators of lately. Cheers, no cheers, bro. Pickle shot. All right, Sneaky Fox. This for you, man. Look, brother man. I hope one day you're just walking around your house and there's a peel of banana on the floor. You didn't notice it, so you step on it and fall. And then as you fall, bro, you go back and you land on a pillow, and then you look up and they just threw a bunch of pickles in your face, and they're just like slamming you in the face like that, you know what I'm saying? And then you just get all, you're just like, no, you know? Yeah, I wish all of that for you for Sneaky. Yo, CM Griffin, appreciate the raid, my guy. Thank you so much. Yo, the GOAT CM Griffin, bro. Y'all definitely gotta check out CM Griffin, man. He is a super dope person. He is a, if I'm not mistaken, please correct me if I'm wrong.
Because he loves
CM Griffin, he's an advocate for, I believe it was Atlassian.
You know how
I'm so sorry.
With Frozen,
I don't remember who it was, but
that they love pickle shots.
He has a lot of dope. His content is pretty dope. He's funny. He talks about a lot of good technical stuff. So y'all get Kraken. There you go. And get Kraken is an awesome product, by the way. I haven't purchased it, but I use it for work and it's pretty dope. So 100%, y'all go ahead and follow CM Griffin. Super dope person. I can't talk. You made me nervous, bro. I can't talk. What the fuck? All right. Hey, what's up, Venom? Cali, esto es jugo de pepino que me ponen a tomar. Así que no me gusta esto para nada. And CM Griffin, I'm sorry you came here at the wrong time because you're about to see the thing that people like to see the most, but I hate it. You know? Yo, JD does their facts. Claw fam. Hey, y'all make sure to follow GA. Thank you for being here, JD. I haven't seen your streams lately. I don't know if you've been streaming early in the mornings or what, but y'all definitely need to check out JD as well. He does a lot of Godot programming, actually. So y'all check him out. I'll give you a shout out after this drink. Sneaky Fox, this is for you, my guy. You know, I don't hate you. I love you with all my heart, but as of right now, bro, I wish you get a pickle in your face. This is for you, bro. Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa centro, pa dentro. I'm him.
To myself here. If anybody else wants to get it, I want to show off how where I'm at with this.
Bro,
I'm curious.
That hit the back of my throat, fam.
Like, for this to be
Pause.
We're almost there,
But,
right? We are almost there.
yo, man. Yo, what's up, Rowdy? Rowdiddy? Is that Rowdiddy? Yo, we need to shout out JD Does Dev. Yes, it's pickle juice. It's horrible. I don't recommend it for anybody.
So this is what I
I
have
saw
now
your
in
body.
OBS, tracking my face.
Hey, y'all
Infinity.
follow JD Does Dev
However,
and
there are some
CM
bugs
Griffin
that I
and
gotta
for
work
sure
out.
Berry Buckets.
You know, get it to follow.
You don't hear the wheel sound?
I think I need to put.
What do
it
you mean?
all in
Where's
a
the
wrapper.
screaming? I hear all of that. Y'all don't hear any of that? What? The mask. Nobody know. People from the Midwest mix pickle juice with booze. Insane. I don't know what's wrong with them. Like what's wrong with them? That's a no-no. Pickle juice with booze. Why would you ruin the taste of booze that way? Come on. Y'all didn't hear it? Okay. What do you mean I have two? No. I'm lost. Facts. There you go, 5YN7HW4V3. Bourbon plus whiskey, no burn. Hey, this man know about his drinks. All right. Since CM Griffin, JD Does Dev, I know y'all are streamers. Let me just show y'all something really quick. This is something I've been working on that I think, if you're a streamer, is something that maybe you can use. Damn it, but my server is down. Shoot. So I'm not gonna get to fully show it. But basically, I am building an app called Clipsy. And if y'all want to check it out, feel free to do it. What it is the best way I'm describing it is Tinder, but for your clips. So in this main screen, you will more than likely see all of your clips. All of the clips I've done on stream, I'll see them. And then there's a Tinder style swiping that occurs where you can either accept a clip that you have or hijo de la gran miércoles, Venom, pero por qué? Yo, damn. But you can swipe left to right if you want to throw away clips that you don't really want, or to the right for clips that you want to save. And then once you do that, you're able to go through them. You can then see them, download them. I don't have any editing features for now. That might be a second tier later on. But for now, you can then export them to edits or CapCut. But my personal reason as to why I'm building this app is because I find it very mind-boggling, the Twitch UI to manage my clips. And I just want a way that takes a little effort as possible for me to just swipe left to right for my actual clips. And I think this is the way that works for me. So if y'all are interested, this will be free. There will be a pro tier, but I am planning for those who sign up pretty early on for it. Definitely give them a good 6 months, maybe a year free. So if y'all want to join the wait list, is there. Sign up, please. Exactly. You already, hey, JD Does Dev. That's the reason why I did it too, because I need more rejection in my life. 100%. All right, Venom. Let me go ahead and try to fix the damn audio. You said y'all didn't hear it? Effect cues. Sena baga fly fi swami, but then kudo ame. Come swami. Take it calmly, so me move like a but with Iron of Judah, conquering lion. Who I am. One sec, y'all. One sec. I'm trying to fix something here with the audio. Hey, who cares? Do your thing, bro. Where you unfollow again. Let me know if you hear the screen, bro. You're like the Keddy. Thank you for the follow, my guy. Appreciate it, bro. I didn't get a candy. It was lose points, right? If we go pro tier, do we get bonus picker shots? Yo, that's not a bad idea, bro. I might consider that, CM Griffin. I ain't gonna lie. I might consider that. I got the candy, bro. Y'all lying to me, right? I know y'all lying to me. Cali, por favor te vayas después de estos. Frost, ¿probarías el Gemini 3 Mini contados en inglés a ver si hablas bien? ¿Habla bien? Ah, sí, lo intentaré. Por el Discord, si me quieres mandar un mensaje y lo intentamos juntos, podemos también. Bro, Who picked this song, fam? We were vibing to the reggae. We were vibing to some. Fuck. Okay. Okay. All right. Look, I know we ran out. We ran out of the sour candies, right? But I went ahead to the throne. I went ahead and I added 2 different candies. If y'all want to invest in it, you're more than happy can. But for now, the only candies that I have are the Harry Potter ones. So I'm only gonna eat one because last time I got vomit and I did not like it at all. So, I know, bro. I just saw that when I went down. Like, what the hell is that recommendation? I saw that too. That was horrible. All right. Yeah, I know. All right, bro. I'm not gonna look. Who's the one that spin this one? I'm not seeing. I cannot see. Here we go. Bro, this one is pink and white. I don't know, man. I hope it's like bubblegum or something. Nah, I ain't taking no 3. Para nada. My bad, I don't have the throne link set up. I probably should. Could you add that Spectre or no? If not, I'll try to add that later on. But if you're interested, here is the throne link. Oh my, is it? I'm skipping. 10 hours? Yo. Tú estás loco, mi pana. Pero bien loco. All right. Let's go ahead and eat this. Who got this one though, bro? Who got this one? I need to find out who got this one so I can diss them. Who got this one? Fucking hell, Spectre. Of course, Spectre. What's good? The Kenneth, what's good, my guy? Yes, I can definitely mod Heckin' Spectre. Because he puts me through suffering all the time. All right. So we have the Harry Potter candy. I am not looking forward to this one. ¿Por qué? Because last time I got the vomit flavored one. And it was the most disgusting shit I've ever had. I'm sorry, my language. My bad. All right. So we already have a deal here on stream. If I get the sausage candy, I'm going to spit that out. Why? Because I don't eat pork. I'm not a pork fan. I don't like it. It's not religious reasons. It's not, I have my own reasons. All right. But okay. Here we go. Here we go, bro. Uy. Ayaw Kali. Hector Spectre, I wish you nothing but the very, very best when it comes to earning 1 cent a week for your, man, I don't even know what I'm saying. I don't like you right now, Spectre, because you haven't been doing this, and you know how I feel. All right. Here we go. Hey, let's go. Delicioso. This one was nice. Which flavor is this? This was candy floss. Rosita, está rico, claro. Sí, estuvo delicioso. Me encantó. Estamos bien. Hey, appreciate it, Hector Spectre. Thank you, my guy. You have the swine flu. You love bacon. Look, I don't hate anybody that likes bacon or anybody who likes pork or whatever they like to eat. I'm not hating. Just for me, the way I grew up, the things I saw growing up when it came to swine is a no-no for me. But to each their own. To each their own. All right. I don't even know what I was supposed to be doing. Y'all rated me. Y'all threw me for a loop. I was supposed to get off and go help tutor somebody. Let me see here. What do I have that I can go ahead and do? Del espejo. Cali, vi tu mensaje en el Discord. Después lo chequeo más bien. Basically, bro. Basically, I'm just chatting right now. I'm trying to figure out where was I with this. Oh, this was something I wanted to execute here. Yeah. I wanted to test the iOS, but I can't really verify it right now. Yo ando for what? ENG. ¿Qué significa eso, Cali? No entiendo. I have a new gift suggestion. Bro. What suggested gift is this? Oh, está flotando. Ok. A las 3 a.m. Yo estuve en España este verano. Estaba por allá, estaba en Valencia y estaba en Barcelona. Mira, España es un lugar pero muy hermoso. Me encantó España. It's not loading. The suggested ones are not loading. I can't see it on my phone. All right, well, in the meantime, I'm going to... This cleanup is too big, actually. I don't think I'm ready for this cleanup. Gracias, sí. This is how I know I understand Spanish 80% now. Yo, Dark Horizon, man, you came to the right spot. Don't talk, watch. Yo, JD does dev. Does Spectre go to your stream? Or actually, let me bring back what I was trying to ask. JD does dev. I haven't seen you in a minute. How you been? How's your stream been going? Last I saw your stream, I saw that you were building a game. I don't remember what the game was. What I do remember is that whenever I showed up, the intro was like crazy. I think you have like this special intro for Claw members, and it was like insane. And that was like super mind blowing. But yeah, what have you been building lately? I know, yeah, he has so many names, JD does dev. Except one here, because he comes and makes me drink pickle shots all the day. All right, we're not gonna fix this part right now. Oh, but JD does dev. Since you make games, let me show you the game I've been working on. It's a mobile game. This one is also gonna be free. Let's take a look here. All right, so obviously I have the debug version, and how much to chug the pickle gallon? To chug this? Hell no, bro. Hell no. Look, we already finished one, bro. We finished this one on October 7th, 2025, and who cares, YouTube was the last one to give me that last pickle shot. I'm not trying to drink 2 in a year, bro. Hell no. Appreciate it, Compile Dev. To eat a spare, bro, you're never gonna see me eat a spare pickle, bro. Like, no. You would have to pay me quite a lot for that. Thank you for the W documentation. Yeah. All right, so obviously, since I'm the dev, your boy got the debug features. So we're gonna turn that puppy on. I'm gonna go to, I have a stat section. This is a work in progress. These are all mock data. But the idea is you'll be able to see how good or bad you do over time. In the upgrades, all my webtoons are coming on. In the upgrades, we have a bunch of different upgrades. Obviously, there's bugs. There's also a link for this game. If y'all have Android devices and want to try it out, feel free to download it. It's free right now. No, I did not build this one in Kotlin, sneaky fucks. I built this one in Godot. This is GD script. No, I hate pickles, Kenny. I hate pickles. Yeah, bro, this one is Godot. This is GD script. But here, I'm not gonna upgrade any of these. The main ones I'm going to upgrade are luck, because luck gives you like higher tier power-ups. But also, I'm going to increase the damage just to make the game a little bit faster. Because when you this is meant to be a roguelike game. So it's going to take a while, kind of like Binding of Isaac or Hades or Hollow Knight. It takes a little bit of time, right, before you unlock those permanent upgrades, and then the game becomes better and faster and stuff like that. So it's going to be a roguelike game. Right now, I'm hacking it just so I can test more of a mid to end game version of the game. And this is what I'm going to show y'all. I did not betray the Kotlin cult, man. Clipsy is built in Kotlin and Kotlin Multiplatform. But I do enjoy GD script a lot and Godot a lot. All right, so let's play the game so y'all can take a look at it. Oop, let me turn off debug. So we don't see the debug at the bottom. All right. So the first thing y'all can see, there's this bar at the very bottom that's filling the bottom and the sides of the screen. There's also a little ball. There's also, and for y'all to notice, the paddle is really slow right now. There's a reason for that. There's also this little like thing in the circle in the middle of the paddle. And what that is my power-ups. The power-ups charge the more you hit the blocks and your permanent upgrades. As well as that, there's this level up screen. So you're going to be able to level up as the game goes, and then you can invest in 3 different skills. It's only damage, agility, or luck. This, I actually took it from a game called Dead Cells. Dead Cells is like, if y'all never played it, it's a really good game. You can only upgrade 3 different skills and they affect the game differently. One might be speed, one might be like blood, damage. I forgot the third one. But I like this. I like that approach, right? So for me, since I know the paddle is slow, I'm going to go ahead and upgrade my agility, which I'm still working on the UI for agility. But, okay, here we go. I want to show y'all a little bit more hectic next. So as you see again, we see this border going up to the top. When it reaches the very top, that's your cue that something is going to happen. And what that is, if y'all didn't see last time, is new wave spawning of blocks. And with each new wave that spawn, the ball increases in speed. So, much more reason for you to decide if you want to upgrade your damage, your agility, your luck, all of that. Claro que escucho rap, Cali. ¿Cómo así? Yo, Rajar, bro. Let's not do this right now, bro. Bro. Come on, man. Toma. That's what you get, Rajar. That's what you get. Hey, facts. So let's go with damage then, Dark Horizon. The point of the game is to keep the ball alive as long as you can. Destroy as many blocks as you can. Because it's going to get difficult and you probably won't be able to do so. All right, here we go. Increase the damage. And as you see, when we increase the damage, the color of the ball changed. All right. I'm currently level 3. There's a new power-up coming down. We got another ball. There's still the balls collide with each other. I still need to upgrade the icons. Let's do damage again. And we have 2 balls now because we have upgraded tiers. This music go well with it too. Slow-mo. We got slow-mo going on. I want to see if I'm going to ever lose. I'm actually pretty good at this game. You know what I'm saying? Let's increase the luck. All right, JD does dev. Bro, you be safe, and I will hopefully try to catch you the next time I see a notification for your stream. I have not seen that lately, so I haven't been there. Damn it, and I lost. But thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have a good rest of your night, JD does dev. Appreciate you. Is it drag left and right for the paddle? That is the plan. Yeah, I did drop the link, Illis Preacher. I will drop it again, my guy. Thank you, my guy. is it drag left and right for the paddle? That initially is how I wanted it to work, but it's still a work in progress. That's the best way for me to say, because I don't know what's the best feel right now to get him to work correctly. Bro. Let's go. Quizá hacer patrones aleatorios diría, o prefieres un bloque. Mi pana Cali, la verdad no entiendo qué me estás diciendo, porque como te digo, el español mío se me está yendo, así que no entiendo tanto. Yeah, let me send you the link, Illustrator. I would definitely send it on my Discord once I'm ready to open Discord. But for now, try my game if you have Android. No sé de baloncesto, pero en esta te lo hice. That was a bar. I ain't gonna lie, that was a bar. Oh, hell yeah, we vibe in Dark Horizon. What you mean? That's what we know for over here. No, but vibes. What did I end up doing here? As soon as I said again, okay. I think we can commit this. This already got committed. Son RTC, my crew of friends. Oh, los que están rapeando ahorita mismo. Son tus amigos. Okay, homie. The wifey wants some time with the man of the house. Oh, who's that? I'm kidding, bro. I need to go wake her boyfriend up with this guy. I didn't finish reading the sentence. That's funny. That Horizon, man. Thank you so much for being here, fam. I do hope you come back. You're a vibe too, my guy. Your BCF, brother, man. Stay cool. Yes, it's still a thing. Rajar, my guy. Stop, bro. Stop. Rajar, we don't need this, mi pana. We don't need this. Alright, bro. Bet. Be safe, Dark Horizon. About the Pico sound system, Colombian bass culture, a little bit, bro. A little bit, not too much. Hey, suenan bien, Cali. Suenan bien. Si quieres, me puedes mandar por los DMs en el Discord con más canciones para escuchar. Cool. Can you enlighten me, Illustrator? Let me know more about it. Rajar, where you at, bro? This was for you. Bro, I don't know what this is, man. Se ve como jabón. This looks like soap. Ina de cana. I got the drinking on me, hun. Spit on Mari. I got some. Ina cana. Looks innocent, gonna taste like crap. I hope not, Compile Dev. Compile Dev, I mentioned this earlier when you weren't here, but if you're interested in being part of the demo or beta of Clipsy or of my game, let me know. It would be great if you could send me a DM, because I know you're an iOS engineer, and if you have devices to help me test out on iOS, that would be really, really helpful. If you want, I know it's a whole big deal with sending your ID to people and whatnot. So like, if you don't want to, don't. But if you're interested, yeah. There was a DJ that was speaking in that documentary on the Afro-Colombian community and how Caribbean and African culture can be seen through these systems and how they have their own dialect. That's actually pretty crazy, bro. I appreciate that, Compile Dev. Yes. Thank you so much. The honor is mine. Café con leche, ¿cómo así? Que esto es café con leche. Ojalá que fuese café con leche. All right, Rajar, come here, bro. Take that smack, bro. What you giving me this candy, fam? You tried 3 times, bro. 3 times. And to give me candy? Like for real, come on, Rajar, bro. Look, you're making a little picky mad, bro. Making a little picky mad, fam. It was not a pickle shot, bro. It was a candy. What do you mean it was... Bro, did I read this wrong? Where's it at? Where's the answer? Bro, it was a pickle shot. Are you kidding me, bro? It was a pickle shot. God. Bro. Oh my gosh, fam. Yes, of course I'm not going to ask you, Hector. Spectre. Oh. Fa. Un picocito. Yo no quiero ningún picocito. No, Dark Horizon, you left to go wake up your wife's boyfriend. You're not supposed to be here, brother man. Oh, I almost poured it in the case. I don't even know where I left my shot glass. Oops. Well, I guess we're not getting no shot because I don't know where I left the shot glass. Yep. Shot glass disappeared. Oh, here it is. You in for pickle shots, this guy. I have all the iOS devices, but no. I mean, Spectre, I thought you were Android. But I'm down to give it to you for sure. Look. I don't know if you knew this, Dark Horizon, but we also have this shot. So, if you are a sub, Dark Horizon, there is that option for you to get a spin. Or you could save me from pickles. Here we go. Rajar, where you at? If you don't say anything, I'm not drinking this, bro. If you don't say anything, I'm not drinking this, fam. Honestly, y'all, I needed today. I needed to be able to hang with y'all, man. Today was rough. So I appreciate y'all being here. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. All right, Rajar. Rajar, look, man. I know you studying in university and whatnot, fam. I know that. Come here, bro. Come here. Let me talk to you a little second, man. You need to respect. You need to respect the adults, man. You need to respect your partners, man. You need to respect those your senior folks, man. Like, you can't be giving me these type of pickle shots, man. Like, that's not cool, fam. At all, brother, man. You know, if we there back in the island, my boy, I would have done box you down, you know. Box you down. And then look upon you and laughing at your fears. But, all right, we have to do this. He don't study because he's too cold. All right, my guy. Rajar? Rajar. This is for you, my guy. I am not going... You know, never mind. I'm not going to say that. The disrespect... Yes, you're disrespecting me, my guy. Here you go. Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa'l centro y pa dentro. Fuck you, Rajar. Let's go. No! See? I'm glad I waited. You damn freaking Spectre. I knew it. No. Fuck this, bro. Hijo de la gran puchica, la brother. Qué tremenda mierda. Yo, who cares? What? Fuck, bro. I don't want that. Oh, no. Bro, y'all need to stop. Oh, you're trying to save me. Save me, bro. Save me, bro. Save me. Let's go. Appreciate you, Spectre. Thank you, man. I don't hate you that much now. I don't hate you that much, bro. Nah, Dark Horizon, I ain't got to do 2. I can only do 1. And I do owe some burpees. But I ain't got to do 2. I only got to do 1. All right. Rajar, back to you, my guy. This is for you. I'm happy now. You can't ruin my mood. Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa'l centro y pa dentro. I'm him. I'm good. Yeah, bro. Qué sabrosura, Cali. Tremenda que es. No. Así a ti sí te gusta, pero a mí no. Bro. Bro, why? Why again? Why again, bro? Like, let me code. Epa! Now we're vibing for real. Oh, we gotta do the burpees. Yeah, let's do the burpees. Let's knock out the burpees. All right, let's do these burpees. Verlo yo muy bueno. ¿Entiendes? I got you, Dark Horizon. Give me a second. Let's go. Burpee time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hijo de la gran puca. 6. 8. 9. Híjole. Ahora me tienen caliente. ¡Woo! Bro. Omae wa mou shideroi. Okay, Kali. You need this out for your streams? Yo, I hook you up. Compile Dev. Compile Dev, it's so weird, bro. I have not gotten any notifications that you're streaming, bro. Oh, I didn't know that. I see the problem, Compile Dev. I don't know how the hell, but it says I wasn't following you. No. That's all me. We're not blaming Momo. I know. All right. Where we are. What was the next thing I was going to say or do? Oh, the trompo. You still there, Dark Horizon? If you're still there, I'll play the trompo. Dime lo que voy a hacer. Yo pues. Bro. Don't even start. Bull, if you want to, bro, tengo un enlace ahí, un link, so you can check out my game if you want, if you have Android. All right. Bro. Spectre, man, you can, man. You already had. Look what the... Well, I already got it on, bro. Bull, I'm also gonna, if you want to be part of my test flight beta, let me know too, Bull. Yep, that's exactly what you get, bro. All right, Dark Horizon, I got you, bro. Mira, this is for you, man. Since you want to play the trompo, I got you. Here you go, bro. Let's go. It did count. You almost gave me a heart attack, bro. There you go. Hey. Do it again, brother man. Un huevo ancho. Cabrón, yo no sé. Lo que sé es que los nervios no existen después de este percocé. O no hay excusa. Y si se saca, se usa. Bet, DM Bull. Then send me a DM, bro, and I'll send you a DM once I'm ready to add you to the test flight beta. We do one more time, Dark Horizon. I got you, bro. Back at the hand. Hell no. Ahí está. Oh, got it on the left hand too. Uno más. You want a third one, bro? I got you, bro. Uno más, papana. Este no sabe, yo sabía también. ¿Cómo así, Cali? ¿Tú sabes de esto? ¿Del trompo? ¿Tú no sabes del trompo? Okay, then let me ask you this, Spectre. Let me ask you this, man. Can you do it? Can you do it, bro? En el cole, la peonza. Oh, bro. Yo también hacía esto en el colegio todo el tiempo. Yeah, man. Here we go. Hey, to the left, too. Oh, you fell. Yeah. Easy. I want you to make a video and upload it to Discord, bro. Talking all that smack, Spectre. I fam, Dark Horizon. Appreciate you still being here. Exacto, Cali. Tú sabes. Hey. Cali sí sabe. Y jugabas a las canicas también. He can't do it with his eyes closed. Hey, I do have a lot, Spectre. I have a bag that has about 50 of them. Canicas también. Es que tú sabes. En la arena, exacto. Exacto. Entonces tú sí sabes. Tú sí sabes mucho de esto. Alright. Yo creo que está llegando cerca la horita de irme. It's getting close to that time to leave. So if y'all know anybody that we want to raid, let me know. But in the meantime, I do gotta figure out more about what to change here on this game. Okay, let's play it a little bit more to understand. Oh, I remember here. Let's see here. Yo, DM Bull, I don't know if you're still here, bro, but have you had a chance to try what's it called? What's the new one called? There's Opus 4.5, Composer 1, and Gemini 3 Pro. Have you tried the three of them? Can you do one more? What you mean, Rajar? Like another spin? Yo, Rajar, here's the rules. Here's the rules, Rajar. If you're a subscriber, you can spin, you can talk smack, you can do all of that. That's what you signed up for, because you have the sub. You know what I'm saying? So like, as much as I don't want you to do it, there's nothing I can really do. Bet, I can raid develop Girl Dan. That sounds good. Cloud is undefeated for me. I'm glad you're saying that, DM Bull. And see, this is not even phasing me, because Rajar is not going to get anything. I know he's not getting anything. That's what I'm saying. DM Bull, that's the only thing I use at work is Claude. So I agree. Very undefeated. That's good. That's good. I'm glad both of y'all prefer Claude, because that's my personal choice. Yeah, Rajar, you got to do the burpees with us too. I'm going to take off the hat for this one though. All right, uno más de estos. Dímelo, Cali, ¿qué pasó? ¿Puedo canjear la peonza, porfa? Otra. ¿Cómo así? No te entiendo, Cali. Let's do these burpees, y'all. Oh, el trompo. Sí, claro. Cuantas veces quieras. All right, let's go. 1. Ooh, this is back here. Almost hit me. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Fuck. 7. Oh my gosh. 8. 9. Fuck. Dice que espera a ver cuánto dura en la mano seguido. Oh, shit, compadre. My back ain't hurting. What's hurting is my pride. Fucking Spectre, man. Bro, Yo, I'm so hot, bro. It's so freaking hot. Alright. 10 más. Oh my gosh, bro. 10 more. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Spectre, you better do it too. Alright. Ahí vamos. 1. Híjole. 2. 3. I'm so tired. 4. 5. Híjole, la puta. 6. 7. 8. 9. No. Fuck, bro. Fuck, bro. Híjole. Yo. I need to take off this shirt, bro. Oh my gosh. Kali. I think kissing burns more calories than burpees. Is that what you're doing there, Rajar? Facts. Nah. Es que Cali, aquí no lo hacemos medio, lo hacemos 100%. Así que de una. Listo. Let's go. El que sabe, sabe, exacto. But what? Nobody's spinning next, Spectre, because we're going to leave pretty soon because of you. Hey. Whoa. Why? Why, bro? No jodas, bro. No, I did not made you. Este tipo me va a matar. Fucking hell, bro. What the hell am I supposed to do with this shit? Like, what the fuck, bro? All right. I'm definitely leaving after this, bro. I'm definitely leaving after this. Yo, compadre, I'm telling you, bro. Me tienen, pero loco. All right, bro. Okay, let me take a look, Diembo, before I eat this damn candy. But I'm gonna pick it first. Whoa. I got this one. Bro, hell nah. Hell no. Hell no. Bro, I need to look this one up. Nope. I'm not doing this one. Nope. Okay, never mind. It's not sausage. Bro. Yo, like, come on, bro. No, Tojama there, brother. No, mi pana. Mira, es que esta noche ha sido pero espectacular la vaina, Tojama. Y no necesitamos, Tajoma, y no necesitamos nada de eso, mi brother. Mira, Cali me ha puesto a saltar un montón. Es mentira, Cali, estoy bromeando. Pero Hookers me tiene volado. Spectre también me tiene volado. No necesita nada de eso. Composer kept trying to refactor my code, even though I said that wasn't the issue. I had a URL issue that Claude identified immediately. I did like 4 prompts, spent like 15 minutes with Composer about a complex problem, switched to Opus and got the bug fixed in 2 seconds. Bro, hey. Yeah, man, I think that's been my similar scenario because we have access to AMP, Claude, Cursor, ChatGPT. We have access to like a bunch of them. And consistently, the one that works the best have been Claude for me. So I'm right there with you, bro. Hey, you're right about that. Who cares? You're right about that. All right, Spectre, since you want to make me eat this, my guy, I hope the next time you go to clean or to feed the horses, when you go out there, that one of the horse is distracting you. They're like, yeah, come feed me. And then the next one pulls up behind you and just be like, and all in your back. And then you be like, ah. Yeah, I wish that for you, my guy. I wish that for you. I agree, Kenneth. What do you normally use Claude for, Kenneth? What have you been building? This is for you, Spectre. Thank you, my guy. I hope you get a lot of that. It's not. It's not. It's sweet. I think it's pepper. Bro, I think it's pepper. Yeah, black pepper. I knew it. Black pepper. Black pepper. Oh, for sure, compadre. We definitely are. We definitely are. We're gonna send him a box of olives. No, Mono is the one that don't like olives. Yeah, the black pepper was sweet, pero it had my mouth like itchy and, you know, a lot of what's the word? Coughing. It was like in the back of my throat. You don't like olives? Then we'll definitely send you olives. I love green olives. Green olives are the best. All right, let me write this out real quick, and then I'm gonna say my goodbyes, because if not, y'all gonna keep me here forever with all them spins. Okay, Cali, ¿quién era el que vamos a tirarle el raid? No, I do not, Mr. Clubs. Get out of here with all of that. We don't need no pickle juice over here. Look, we have. I don't know where you been, Mr. Clubs, but look at this. We don't need none of that, bro. No, we don't. Green olives taste like a dirty stank pickle. I don't agree with that. Green olives are delicious. Yeah, we don't need none of that, Mr. Clubs. Bro, why? What the? Bro, did somebody requested a siren? Yo, motherfucker. ¿Qué carajo, brother, con ustedes, mi pana? Váyate pa'l carajo. Vete pa'l carajo. Híjole, man, I'm sweating so bad, bro. I'm sweating so bad. Mira, Tahoma, me pusieron a hacer 50 burpees, brother. All right, let's see here. This last thing here. I want you to go through the code base, especially around the skill selector code. I am not positive that we are correctly calculating the weights of the skills as we increase them when we level up. Assess the code, verify it. This is very old code, so we just need to make sure that we can update it correctly. Take a look at it and give me back your feedback. I don't know what I'm doing. Hey, Mr. Clubs, unfortunately, I can't hear those things. That's something I cannot hear. So I didn't get to hear that, bro. I'm sorry. My bad, bro. I need to fix it up. I already have a plan. The week of Christmas, I'm gonna be off for the whole week. So the plan is to set up the stream. I'm trying to be like Barry Buckets, bro. You know, set up my stream and be OP. They got to hear it, yeah, and they got scared too. Kenneth, where am I from? Where do you think I'm from, bro? I mean, I'm not gonna be like Barry. Like, I'm not gonna eat all that crazy food. I am not going to diss y'all like that. But you know, he does get like on average 70 people a day that watch him. You know what I mean? So He said, please, for the love of God. Yo. Nah. But man, I want to stay true to myself. Canada, este tipo. Nah, Kenneth, I am not from the United States. I'll say that much. I'll give you a hint. Cali, te me fuiste. No me acuerdo quién dijiste que le tiramos el raid. Why do I diss you? Who cares? Answer me. Why do I diss you? Do I diss you without reason? Like if you step up in the ring and you start throwing a punch, you gotta expect to get a punch back. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've never dissed anybody on my stream unless y'all do something to me. That's the only way. That's the only way. ¿Me entendés? No, I live in the US, Rajar, but I'm not from the United States. I live in the US, pero no soy de allá, de acá. I swear. Listo, develop girl. Listo. Ahorita le tiramos el rey. So see, the skill is not being upgraded. Canada and Mexico is in the US. Well, I mean, I'm not from either of those three countries, so, but no, they're not. Sí, yo soy de más abajito. Full. Yo no soy ni canadiense, ni de los Estados Unidos, ni mexicano. I mean, yeah, you're right, Rajar. US means it's us, and USA is USA, right? Voy a hacer un burger a 4 a.m. Uf. Y ahora 4. Yo. Si te tienes que esperarte unos 15 minutos más, Cali. Unos 15 minutos más y está bien. Mira una foto en el Discord para que veamos la hamburguesa que hiciste. Listo. Es australiano. Este Tahoma Dev. Well, Kenneth left, so I don't think he'll find out where I'm from. All right. Look, I haven't eaten dinner. Definitely time for me to head out of here pretty soon. We're going to create a raid here. Somebody recommended Develop Girl. You know, when y'all go over there, please be nice. Throw the cool emojis on there. You know, just say hello. Be nice, please. Okay, Spectre, be nice, Spectre. Compile Dev, please keep him in check. But yeah. Pero Cali, manda la fotico para que lo veamos ahí en el Discord. ¿Todo bien? I think we're good. Yes, please. If y'all are in the Discord, go ahead and add your goals, your 2026 goals inside of the channel. We're trying to gather together and add our goals in there and not hopefully, but we are going to make it happen in 2026 and we're going to keep each other accountable for it. Así que si quieres, pon tus metas en el Discord. Tenemos un canal específicamente para eso, para que nos podamos apoyar para el año 2026. Así que if y'all are interested in that, go ahead and do it. But cool. I think we're at that point where I need to dip out. So, muchas gracias. Muchísimas gracias. Thank y'all so much for being here. No thank you to Spectre. No thank you to Who Cares. Well, maybe to Who Cares. He made me do burpees. It's okay. No thank you to Mono NZ because he made me take a pickle shot. So yeah. No thank you to all. Thank y'all so much for being here. I really appreciate y'all spending some time with me. I honestly needed this today. Y'all don't even know it, but I really needed this today. Thanks for hanging out with me. Gracias por estar aquí. Gracias por los nuevos siguientes follows y los veré pronto. Y'all be safe. I'll see y'all on Thursday. Peace. Olvidando la nena me pide música.